14 Best Places to Visit in Colombia. Colombia, known for its passion, rich culture, and stunning landscapes, is a must-visit destination. From the vibrant city of Medellin to the ancient ruins of the Lost City, Colombia offers a wealth of experiences. But where should you go? Let's explore the 14 best places to visit in Colombia. Villa de Leyva, a small town near Bogota, boasts one of the largest town squares in South America. Its Spanish and Moorish-influenced architecture and fascinating museums make it a must-see. In central Colombia, Guatape is famous for its vibrant colored walls and the iconic El Peñón de Guatape, the second-largest monolithic rock in South America. Climb to the top for breathtaking panoramic views. Just an hour's boat ride from Cartagena, the Rosario Islands offer crystal-clear waters, white sandy beaches, and abundant marine life. Nestled in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, Ciudad Perdida is an archaeological site older than Machu Picchu. Embark on a 4-day hike through lush jungles to discover this ancient wonder. Popayan, known as the White City, is a colonial treasure with its stunning white facades and historic buildings. Explore the Puente del Humilladero and the beautiful churches. Leticia, the capital of the Department of Amazonas, offers access to the Colombian Amazon. Immerse yourself in the rich culture and explore nearby nature reserves and Monkey Island. San Andrés and Providencia Archipelago, located in the Caribbean, boast white sand beaches and vibrant marine life. Snorkel, dive, and relax in this tropical paradise. San Agustin is home to an intriguing archaeological park with over 500 monoliths and statues. Explore the remains of a forgotten civilization and marvel at the stone carvings. Once infamous for its drug cartels, Medellin has transformed into a modern and inviting city. Enjoy its fine dining, world-famous coffee, and stunning mountain views. Zona Cafetera, also known as the Coffee Triangle, is where almost half of Colombia's coffee is grown. 50% visit coffee plantations, hike the Cocora Valley Trail, and explore the charming town of Jardin. San Gil is the place to go for adventure seekers. Try bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, and paragliding in this adrenaline-filled destination. Cartagena, a port city on the Caribbean coast, is known for its well-preserved colonial architecture and vibrant culture. Explore the historic old town and relax on its beautiful beaches. Tayrona National Park offers stunning beaches, lush jungles, and diverse wildlife. Hike through the park, swim in crystal-clear waters, and camp under the stars. No visit to Colombia is complete without exploring Bogota. Discover its rich history, visit world-class museums, and indulge in its vibrant food and nightlife scene. Colombia is a country that offers something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, history, or natural beauty, Colombia has it all. Plan your extraordinary trip to this beautiful land and experience the best of Colombia.